Jenna Ortega is an American actress. He was born on September 27, 2002 in Coachella Valley, California, the fourth of six children. She spent her early years in Southern California's Coachella Valley. She has three sisters, Mia, Alia, and Maria, as well as two brothers, Isaac and Marcus. Ortega's father is of Mexican-American descent and her mother is of Mexican and Puerto Rican ancestry. She first became known for her role as young Jane on the CW romantic comedy drama series Jane the Virgin. She then received recognition for her role as Harley Diaz on the Disney Channel series Stuck in the Middle, for which she won an Imagine Award in 2018. She began her television acting career at the age of 8, appearing in episodes of Rob, Days of Our Lives and CSI New York. She has been successful in creating a decent position for herself in the entertainment industry. In 2014, she was cast in the title role in DreamWorks TV's Know It All Nina. Aside from acting, Ortega has been noted for her activism as well as her public image, being listed first on Pop Sugar's 20 Under 20 list in 2020. She is also known for her fashion sense and is registered across various social media, being an active internet personality. In 2020, Ortega voiced Brooklyn in the Netflix animated series Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous. The series was met with mixed reviews, although praise went towards Ortega's voicing and the rest of the cast. The series was renewed for a second season, slated to release in 2021. She has several upcoming projects. She will next star as a main role in the upcoming comedy movie Yes Day. In February 2020, it was announced that she will lead the upcoming high school drama film The Fallout. In August 2020, Ortega was cast in an undisclosed role on the fifth Scream film, which will be released on January 14, 2022. In 2018, Ortega starred in the film Saving Flora as the lead role of Dawn, the daughter of a circus owner. The film received positive reviews from critics and Ortega received praise for her performance. She received a nomination for Best Lead Actress at the Southampton International Film Festival. In January 2019, Ortega had been cast in the main role of Ellie Alves, the sister of Delilah Alves, on the second season of the Netflix thriller series You, which was released on December 26, 2019. In You, her character is a smart and meddling girl who likes to act older than her true age. In 2019, Ortega was cast in the Netflix horror film The Babysitter, Killer Queen. The film was released in September 2020 and received mixed reviews from critics. She joined the cast on Disney's Elena of Avalor, the voice of Princess Isabel, who is ended in 2020. The show was well received and she earned another Imagine Award nomination in 2019. In 2017, she starred in the music video for the single Chapstick, which was performed by and also stars Jacob Short Tears.